Hey coders, wondering if Visual Studio Code is good for Java development? Let's break it down fast. First off, VS Code is lightweight, fast, and free, but does it handle Java well? Spoiler, yes it does. With the right setup, it's a powerhouse. Get started with the Java extension pack from Microsoft. It includes tools for coding, debugging, and testing. Just install it and you're ready to roll. VS Code's IntelliSense is a game changer. It offers smart code completion, real-time error detection, and quick fixes. Writing Java feels smooth and efficient. Debugging, it's super easy. Set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through code, all within VS Code's clean interface. Running and testing Java apps is seamless thanks to its built-in terminal support and extensions like Maven or Gradle for project management. Plus, VS Code is highly customizable. Just pick themes, tweak settings, and add extensions to make it your own. Compared to heavy IDEs like IntelliJ or Eclipse, VS Code is lighter and more versatile for multi-language projects. But for massive Java projects, some might prefer a dedicated IDE. So, is VS Code good for Java? Absolutely. It's lightweight, powerful, and free. Give it a try and code on.